Hi, I'm Bill. 50 years ago, 1976, I brought forth a new print, and it's called How I Printed My Father's Farm from the Moon. It was the era of early moon exploration, and I made this print at Triangle Studios in Seattle, the artist collective that meant so much to me. And one of the other artists was Carl Chu. And when Carl saw the videotape, he added a song. There's this long, boring part at the end of the video, and he wrote a song called My Father's Farm from the Moon. What else? Today is 2026, February 18th. He sent me a comic book cover that absolutely made my morning. I'll tell you. Well, here's the comic book cover, and here's an excerpt from the videotape. And at the end of the video, you can click on and see the full 43-minute version, How I Printed My Father's Farm from the Moon. And this might be one of the prizes in my upcoming crowdfunders. Thanks for watching. Enjoy!
Down my speed. I've come to think that the slower I print, the more ink transfers to the paper. I get the richest print that way. So the bed should travel very slowly at this stage. All the plates were warmed beforehand, and this has the effect of softening the ink and making it transfer to the paper a little better.
Okay, all flight controllers, go for landing. Retro. Go. Righto. Go. Guidance. Go. Control. Go. Telcom. Go. GNC. Go. Econ. Go. Surgeon. Go. Capcom, we're go for landing.
Eagle Houston, you're go for landing. Right. Eagle looking great, you're go. Forward. Forward. 20 feet down, 2.5. Picking up some dust. 30 feet, 2.5 down. Straight shadow. 4 forward. 4 forward, drift into the right a little. Down a half. 30 seconds forward. Contact light. Okay, engine stop. APA at a descent. Boat control, both auto, descent engine command override off. Engine arm off. 413 is in. We copy you down, Eagle. Listen, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. Roger, Tranquility. We copy you on the ground. You got a bunch of guys about to turn blue. We're breathing again. Thanks a lot. How am I doing? You're doing fine. Okay, Houston, I'm on the porch. Roger, Neil. And we're getting a picture on the TV. So we can see you coming down the ladder now. I'm at the foot of the ladder. That's one.
Daddy had a mule and he filed the whole day through. And his daddy did the same 'cause there was lot to do. But my daddy used his head and what he learned at school. Took his heel and family and he moved up to the moon. Well, you take a little time, you take a little money, you could make the desert flu. But all the tea in China won't do it on the moon. Now I'm a little thinking and I drink a lot of beer and I'm not easily confused. But I better never know what he had in mind when he moved this to the moon. 'Cause you can't grow squash and you can't grow corn and you can't grow peas or beans. You gotta wear a funny hat and ride in space the sheep. When you're working on this farm, you gotta watch your temper from that. You kick your dog a mite too hard, you kick him right over the fence. But daddy had to be away plowed the whole day through. And then the daddy did the same, 'cause there was lots to do. But my daddy used his head and what he learned in school. Took a present family and he moved them to the old. Yeah, took his present family and he moved them to it. He took his present family and he moved